Welcome to episode 27, Motivate Me Rahul, and as you've guessed, I'm Rahul. Today, friends, I'm going to share with you a spontaneous video on why we should never hate anyone. You see, friends, this word hate, it's a four-letter word, but it's a very heavy emotion. It's a very serious emotion. And the reason I say that is this, that when you hate someone, technically, you are allowing that person a certain space in your mind, in your heart, and you will allow that person to manipulate you. So never hate anybody. Remember this. Hate, without a doubt, is not a good emotion. But the more you keep it within yourselves, the more it will damage you. Second, I would say, always remember this, that if you hate someone, and like I previously said, because you've given them that extra space in your head, in your heart, you are definitely going to be affected emotionally. But what is going to happen is that these people who have hurt you, in whatever way that they've hurt you, you will allow them to control you. Your reactions will be undoubtedly affected by what they've said to you, and that's not a good thing. So hate is not a good thing. Now, what exactly happens, when someone else hates you? So when someone else hates you, what does it actually mean? And I'm going to let you in on a secret that most people don't let you know. And it's something like this. When someone hates you, they actually hate that unique ability that is in you, which they can never possess. They don't exactly hate you. They hate the way the world perceives you, the world thinks about you. And they are taken aback that why they cannot be, treated in the same way. So what do? They know that they cannot beat you in your work, in your profession, in your process of life, in the way that you're getting promoted, how you're doing so well. So what do? They will most definitely have only one thing. They will try and put you down. So, but just to remember that they don't hate you. It's not they hating you. It, in a way, they're telling you that you are better than them. You are more unique than them. And they would like to be like you, but since they can't, they put it down to that small emotion called hate. So because I can't be like him, I'm going to hate him. There are certain advantages, of course, for people who hate you. And one of this is that your haters are your best critics. Now, why do I say they're your best critics? The reason is that no matter what you do, they're going to find fault. Some fault in it, even though everybody else will appreciate it. Because they hate you, they can't compete with you. They're going to find some fault in the matter. Oh, everything was perfect, but I didn't like this color, or this went wrong. Now, that's perfectly all right. Listen to their criticisms. Don't call them criticisms. Listen to their suggestions. And I'm quite sure that of the 8 or 9, ways that they find to criticize you, you may be surprised that 2 or 3 times they may actually criticize you, which may actually help you improve yourself and then allow you to do better than what you are doing even now. So don't hate them. Accept them as your biggest critics. Most importantly, I would like to say, don't take their opinions very seriously. Don't allow them, to get inside your brain. I remember a very good analogies that I'm going to share with you, which I, read recently. And that was, a big ship floats on water, but it only sinks when water gets inside it. And that is what you have to be in life. You have to be like this huge, colossal ship, roaming around the ocean, doing your thing, improving, providing for your family, trying to make the world a better place. But if you allow these emotions, or these criticisms of the people that hate you to get inside your head, then you're going to sick. So that's the analogy. Don't allow people to put you down. Continue your journey. Do your best. Be good. Help people. And there's nothing else that you can do. But perhaps one last thing, and most important before I end this video. In the end, forgive your haters. Forgive them. It is not that you forgive them for themselves or they deserve forgiveness. Forgive them because you are a better person. You are the better man. You are the better individual. So that's it. And this is something which I wanted to share. I wrote this down. I'm just reading it out to you. Why you should never hate anyone. You see, in the end, it's all about you. So if you are positive, you will give a positive outlook. You will give a positive feedback. You will present yourself positively. And that's what the world needs. The world needs more of positive thoughts than negative thoughts. So that's it, friends. I hope you like this video on why never to hate anyone. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do comment. I would love to have some of your feedback. And I hope to see you again soon.